Ever feel like scheduling meetings is a never-ending game of phone tag, email chains, and calendar conflicts? It's a universal pain, right? We've all been there, lost in a sea of reply-all emails, trying to nail down a time that works for everyone. It's frustrating, it's inefficient, and honestly, it's a huge waste of valuable time. Time that could be spent actually, doing the work. So, what if I told you there's a better way? A way to streamline the entire meeting scheduling process, eliminate the back and forth, and reclaim those precious hours? That's where HubSpot Meetings comes in. It's a powerful tool that integrates directly with your HubSpot CRM, and it's designed to make scheduling meetings a breeze. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how people actually use HubSpot Meetings, exploring its features, demonstrating practical examples, and showing you how it can revolutionize your scheduling workflow. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's understand why efficient meeting scheduling is so crucial. Think about it. How much time do you spend each week just trying to get meetings on the calendar? Between coordinating schedules, sending calendar invites, and following up, it can easily eat up hours. Those hours add up, impacting your productivity and potentially costing you opportunities. HubSpot Meetings aims to eliminate this friction, allowing you to focus on what matters most, the actual meeting itself. One of the most common ways people use HubSpot Meetings is for sales appointments. Imagine this. A potential customer visits your website, intrigued by your product or service. Instead of filling out a contact form and waiting for you to respond, they can click a Book a Meeting button, directly accessing your availability. They choose a time that works best for them, and boom, the meeting is scheduled, automatically added to both your calendars, and a confirmation email is sent to the prospect. No more endless email exchanges, no more phone tag. It's seamless, it's efficient, and it gives the prospect a positive first impression of your business. Let's walk through a quick example. Let's say you're a sales rep, you've just finished a demo with a potential client, and they're ready to move forward. Instead of saying, "I'll email you some times that work for me," you can simply share your HubSpot Meetings link. This link is unique to you and reflects your real-time availability. The client clicks the link, sees your open slots, and selects one that fits their schedule. HubSpot Meetings then handles the rest, sending calendar invites, reminders, and even allowing you to customize the meeting details. Beyond sales, HubSpot Meetings is also incredibly useful for internal meetings. Think about team meetings, one-on-ones with your manager, or even scheduling time with colleagues for collaborative projects. Instead of trying to coordinate everyone's availability through email, you can simply share your meeting link, allowing team members to book a slot that works for everyone. This is especially helpful for remote teams or organizations with multiple locations, where scheduling can be even more complex. Another powerful feature of HubSpot Meetings is its integration with the HubSpot CRM. This means that every meeting scheduled through the platform is automatically logged in your CRM, providing you with valuable insights into your interactions with prospects and customers. You can see who you've met with, when, and what the outcome of the meeting was. This data can be incredibly useful for tracking your progress, identifying trends, and improving your overall sales and marketing efforts. Let's delve into some practical tips for using HubSpot Meetings effectively. First, customize your meeting link. Instead of a generic link, you can create a personalized URL that reflects your brand or your name. This makes it more professional and easier for people to remember. Second, set your availability carefully. Make sure your calendar is up to date and reflects your actual availability for meetings. This will prevent double bookings and ensure that you're not wasting time on meetings that you can't attend. Third, use meeting descriptions. When you create a meeting type, add a clear and concise description of what the meeting is about. This will help people understand the purpose of the meeting and prepare accordingly. HubSpot Meetings also offers a range of customization options. You can customize the look and feel of your booking page to match your brand, add your company logo, and even choose the language and time zone. You can also set buffer times between meetings, giving you time to prepare for the next meeting or simply take a break. This is a great way to prevent back-to-back meetings and ensure that you have enough time to focus on each one. Furthermore, HubSpot Meetings integrates with other popular tools, such as Google Calendar and Office 365, making it even more versatile. This means that you can use HubSpot meetings seamlessly with your existing calendar, without having to switch between different platforms. It's all about streamlining your workflow and making your life easier. Now, let's talk about some less common but equally valuable ways people use HubSpot meetings. For example, you can use it to schedule consultations or demos. If you offer a service-based business, you can create a meeting type specifically for consultations, allowing potential clients to book a free consultation with you. This is a great way to generate leads and build relationships with potential customers. Similarly, if you offer a software product, you can use HubSpot meetings to schedule demos, allowing prospects to see your product in action and ask questions. Another interesting use case is for scheduling interviews. If you're hiring for a position, you can use HubSpot meetings to schedule interviews with candidates. This can save you a lot of time and effort compared to traditional scheduling methods. You can simply share your meeting link with the candidates, and they can choose a time that works best for them. HubSpot meetings is also a fantastic tool for customer success teams. They can use it to schedule onboarding sessions, check-in calls, or training sessions with customers. This helps ensure that customers are getting the most out of your product or service and fosters stronger relationships. One of the biggest advantages of HubSpot meetings is its ease of use. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, even for people who are not tech-savvy. Setting up your meeting link, customizing your booking page, and scheduling meetings is all very straightforward. HubSpot also provides a wealth of resources and support documentation to help you get started and make the most of the platform. So, as you can see, HubSpot meetings is a powerful tool that can be used in a variety of ways to streamline your meeting scheduling process. Whether you're in sales, marketing, customer success, or any other role that involves scheduling meetings, HubSpot meetings can help you save time, improve efficiency, and ultimately, be more productive. It's all about taking control of your calendar and reclaiming those valuable hours that are often lost in the back and forth of traditional scheduling methods. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.